Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix a TV, a Hitachi TV. Now we've had this TV for a little over 2 years and it quit working. So the best way not to have to fix a Hitachi TV is don't buy one. Right here between us both we've got at least 8 years on the Geek Squad. So that should tell you we know what we're doing. Are you ready to fix this TV?
You betcha.
You know you are. So what we're going to do here, we're going to get our specialized tools and we're going to fix this TV for you. And you're going to love it. Thank you.
A few moments later.
Here's the tools you will need to fix your Hitachi TV. Let the fixing begin. Don't buy Hitachi. And finally, our Hitachi is fixed.